guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the update on my monthly Earfleek subscription. So we're going to talk about the one I got in January. So anybody that keeps up with it knows that my earrings came broken. So I did get a hold of Earfleek right after I got done filming. I took a picture and went ahead and attached it to the email and wrote them. And I really didn't expect to have a quick response. Really wasn't expecting anything really, because I watched videos saying it took 2 months to get replacements on missing or broken items. So, and then I've heard some people say, hey, Earfleek just does not do it. And I was like, well, you know, I'm still going to tell them, because $3.49 is not much, but that's not the, issue. The issue is, like, if something does come broken or missing, they should have to replace it. Because I have other subscriptions, and sometimes that's been an issue. With BoxyCharm, I had a missing item. So I wrote them, and it didn't go too good. I figured, they was a bigger business, and they would replace my item and send it to me. It was like the Pore Primer by So In Touch. That's been like a long time ago, but probably like 6 or 8 months ago. And finally, they did finally write me back and said something like they'd give me like $6 in credit, $6 or $8. I don't know. It was something like that. And I really didn't like that, because I know I was only paying $21 for the box, but what they always say is they will give you something equal or lower, or equal or higher than the product you didn't receive or that is broken. So I really didn't think, like with Earfleek, I can't believe BoxyCharm does that, but a lot of people say it's the same thing I said about BoxyCharm. But so with Earfleek, I wasn't really expecting anything. So I wrote them, attached my picture. 2 people actually wrote me back. Somebody named Joe apologized and said they'd get a package out to me. Another customer service said, sorry, and we'll get you another package next day. I figured they said it could take a couple of weeks because they was like a low budget company, and I get that. But the next day I got the email saying my package was on the way, and it's here. So really, I'm really happy for that. So we're doing another unboxing of Earfleek, the replacements. I kind of like the way they're doing it now. Like they're putting in these and then a safety bubble, then just a little envelope. So these are kind of like the miniature bags what Ipsyb used to do. And it's just got Earfleek on both sides. And the card looks like recyclable material, which it may or may not be, but it's a cute little card. Style is what you do with it. Fashion is what you buy. So we got that, and here it is. Now, I don't expect to get the same earrings, and I'm really hoping I don't, because I didn't like them, even if they hadn't been shattered. I didn't like the little silky piece, like right here's a piece of it. Really, I don't see me wearing this. Okay, so we got our little card to give to somebody. And here it is in this nice little bag. I like the way they're doing it now. It's a little bit better looking. Presents better. So the little tag. Okay, so MSRV $15.99 USD. So United States dollars, this is retailed for $15.99, which is around the same that my other one said it was. So right here it is. I like how they do a little barcode now. And we got the little tassel earrings, which I think last year these was a big thing. This year, I don't know. I see them a lot for sale now. But I really don't see, I see a few people wearing them. I don't really see them a lot. So they are cute. I would wear them. They're not too big. I like big earrings. I like small earrings, medium earrings. I like all earrings. So let's, already got me some alcohol. You should always clean earrings before putting them in your ears, because you can get an infection Even if your ears has been pierced for 10, 20 years, it can still get there. I think they're a little bit smaller than what I normally wear. I would have liked them if they was just a tad bit bigger, but I'm not going to complain. So here they are. They're really like nice, which I don't expect the best quality because you're only paying $30.49. But I mean, it's not really bad. They're put together like really good. So, and they're gold, so you know they go. I'm wearing silver, so which has a little piece of gold in it, the heart. But normally, I don't know if you guys see the earrings hanging above the necklaces. They're like huge. But now, I do like, sometimes I like little earrings. It depends on where I'm going, really. Normally, I start like on up. I do the smaller earrings. Then I just do a stud here. But I do like them. I think they're kind of cute. So I'm alright with them, and I'm glad they did replace them. I was really iffy if they was going to or not, just because of everything I've heard. I've always heard bad stories, but you know, everybody's always got a bad story to tell about something. But I guess that's it. I just wanted to update you guys, and I will leave the link for Earfleek down below if you'd like to try them for yourself. But I'm going to tell you, they have two terriers, which is a $3.49 one, and then they have a $9.99 one. They do have an inventory you can pick through. But okay, I don't think you can see them, but they're some like gold hoops at the very end. I got them for $3.49, and I got another gold pair that's similar that I got for $3.49. I have watched unboxings of the people that pay $9.99, and they're getting the same earrings that I get for $3.49. So what I'm going to say is, I don't think it really matters. As long as you're going through your inventory, that I need to do that. But if you're going through the inventory and picking what you like, you're pretty much going to get what people that's paying the $10. And if I'm going to get, I don't want to waste, like, it's like $6.50 I can save. Hey, I'm going to save it. And I've seen quite a few of the people getting, like, it's been like 4 or 5 earrings, and people's getting the same thing I'm getting, and they're paying the $10. It's ridiculous. But they have, like, the boho styles. They have, like, I think a classic style. I'm not really sure. The minimalist and funny. Like, if you like funny earrings. But if you just click through the inventory, tell them what you like, you just swipe, like, don't like. I don't like a lot of them. But I just tell them what I like, and I get, you know, something close to what I would like. But I guess that is it. I just wanted to update you guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.